In today's video, I'll guide you on how you'd be able to add sound to your soundboard in Discord. So let's get started. So first of all, is that you want to go here into your Discord server wherein you'd want to add a sound to the soundboard. And then now you want to go into the server settings by clicking here on your server name on the top left. And then now you would want to go into server settings. Once you're here, you just simply want to go into the soundboard section, which is right here. Now you can now upload your sound to be added in the soundboard, and then now you can upload a file. So you can just choose one right here. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. This one is actually a whole song. So I'm just going to select this, but it's much better if you just pick out the sound effect right here that you'd want to add to your soundboard, because take note that you can only upload up to 5 seconds right here. So you would need to crop it if it's too long. As you can see, it's in yellow. That would mean that you will not be able to upload this, and then the upload button will be grayed out. So you would need to go for maximum of 5 seconds if you'd want it to turn green. Next is that you want to go for the sound name. So let's say sample. And then you could also go for an emoji if you'd want to. And as you can see, it is now available for upload, because if I go and lengthen it up like it's now in yellow, it will now be grayed out, just I have mentioned earlier. So I'll just make it green just like that and click on upload. And there it is. It's now uploaded. And now you can just go for more. As you can see, you have 8 slots available. And if you'd want to extend your slots, then you would have to purchase Discord Nitro in order for you to have more slots. But for free slots, it's only up to 8. And now let's go for escape. And now go into voice channel. Let's test out our soundboard by clicking here on open soundboard. And in here, we now have our sounds right here under the server. You could also use other sounds from other servers that you are a member in, but again, that requires Discord Nitro. So I'm just going to go for this one, which is under the server. I'm going to play it. So yeah, as you have heard, it's now playing the sound that I have uploaded into the soundboard. So this is basically it on how you could do it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.